the wild Nebuscus in her natural habitat. Oh no, she found me. Don't know if you guys can see this. She's right there. It's a beauty. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's moving around. Let's get a closer look. Oh, there she is. Yes, the wild Nebuscus. It looks like she is trying to communicate with me. I will communicate back. I will use its happy cry. Oh no, I have made it mad. Oh no, I've made the wild Nebuscus mad. Oh no. I don't know if it knows I'm putting this on YouTube, but oh no! Ah! Ah! Now it knows. Run away! The wild Nebuscus is chasing me! Ah! Help! No. Oh no, she let me to a trap. She's let me to a lair. Step back so the camera can see you. No, no. Get up. Look at that face.